Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 9th, as you know, from last 3 lessons we are discussing a lesson that is how a client was saved. Today we will see well, I have told you, he said, that I am entirely in your hands. So Parsi Rustumji told him that he is completely in his hands. You may do just as you like. Whatever he wants to do, uh, he is allowed to do. He is entirely in his hands. I brought to bear on this case all my power of persuasion. So he says that he brought all his power of persuasion, power of convincing, यानी मनाने का जो पावर है, किसी को मोटिवेट करने का जो पावर है, वो सब मैंने लाया है. He has brought to settle this case. I met the custom officer and fearlessly apprised him of the whole affair. He told him that he met custom officer. Custom officer को मिला है and fearlessly और बेखौफ apprised him and इन्फॉर्म ही बेखौफ उसने उसको इन्फॉर्म किया, अप्राइज में इन्फॉर्म करना ऑफ द होल अफेयर, अबाउट द होल मैटर ऑफ दिस स्मगलिंग विच Parsi Rustumji has done. I also promised to place all the books at his disposal and told him how penitent Parsi Rustumji was feeling. He has also promised the custom officer that he will not keep anything concealing. He will not conceal anything from him. वो कुछ नहीं छुपाएगा. He will put all his books, whatever has happened, he will put all this before him, and told him that Parsi Rustumji is a very penitent. Parsi Rustumji is very repentant. He is feeling sorry for whatever he has committed, whatever sin he has committed. He is feeling sorry for that. He is penitent. He is repentant. He is feeling very much upset. The custom officer said, I like the old Parsi. Now custom officer told him that he is liking old Parsi. I am sorry he has made a fool of himself. But he is feeling sorry that he has made fool of himself. He has done this he has committed this crime. You know where my duty lies, but you are knowing that my duty is not, I am a subordinate person and I must be guided by the attorney, and there is one more officer who is commanding me, that is Attorney General, and I have to he is to guide me in this matter, and so I would advise you to use all your persuasion with him. So I am just advising you, I am suggesting you must go to this Attorney General, and I am sorry I can't do anything because he is a subordinate officer and he must be guided by the Attorney General. मैं आपके लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि मेरे ऊपर भी एक ऑफिसर है, अटॉर्नी जनरल है, आपको उसके पास जाना चाहिए. I shall be thankful, said I, if you do not insist on dragging him into court. But this man told him, Gandhiji told him that I shall be thankful to you, I shall be grateful to you if you will not drag him into the court. अगर आप पारसी रुस्तुम जी को कोर्ट में नहीं ले जाओगे तो मैं आपका शुक्रगुजार रहूँगा. Having got him to promise this, I entered into correspondence with the Attorney General. When this custom officer promised that he will not drag this case into the court, and now he started corresponding with the Attorney General, and he also met him and told him whatever Parsi Rustumji has. So he told him every affair of the case. I am glad to say that he appreciated my complete frankness. The person says that he's very much happy, he's very much jubilant that he was appreciated by this by Attorney General because he franknessly told him whatever Parsim Rustamji has committed, and he was convinced that he had kept back nothing, and he was he motivated him that he has nothing concealed. He has told him uh, whatever actually has happened. I now forget whether it was in connection with this or with some other case that my persistence and frankness extorted from him the remark, I see you will never take a no for an answer. The case against Parsam Rustumji was settled by a compromise. So I persuaded this man. The man persuaded this Parsam Rustumji, this Attorney General, regarding the case, and he was motivated that he will not take this case, and they will settle the case here. And uh, the case was settled by a compromise. In a case वहीं पर रफा दफा किया गया. He was to pay a penalty equal to twice the amount he had confessed to having smuggled. Now Parsi Rustamji has to pay a penalty, and what was the penalty? Penalty was the twice of the amount which he has smuggled. यानी उस अमाउंट का डबल उसको देना पड़ेगा, यही उसको मतलब पेनल्टी की गई. Rustamji reduced to writing the fact of the whole case. Now the Rustamji wrote whatever he has committed regarding the case, regarding the whole case. He has write all this incident on the paper, got the paper framed and hung it up in his office. Now he framed this paper and he hung it up. इसने इसको आवेदन रखा अपने ऑफिस में to serve as a perpetual reminder, and it would be a perpetual reminder. It would be a very never-ending, permanent reminder for to his hearers, to his legal hearers, to his hearers and fellow merchants, and for those merchants who are his fellow merchants. It would be a reminder for them that they will not commit something wrong like Parsi Rustamji. These friends of Rustamji warned me not to be taken in by this transitory contrition. The friends of the Rustamji, they warned him not to be taken in by this transitory contrition, repentance. When I told Rustamji about this warning, he said, and when he told Rustamji about this warning, that if you will commit something wrong in future, you will be taken into the court, you will be taken into Tosuk. And Parsi Rustamji told him that what would be my fate if I deceived you, and what would be the fate, what would be the उसका मुकद्दर क्या होगा, what would be the destiny of the Parsi Rustamji if he will deceive him. अगर मैं आपको धोखा दूंगा तो मेरा मुकद्दर क्या होगा बाद में. So you have said that he confessed, Parsi Rustamji has confessed that whatever he has done, now he has उसने तौबा किया. He feels sorry for that whatever he has committed. So you now see that how this client was saved by M.K. Gandhi. किस तरह गांधी जी ने अपने क्लाइंट को बचाया जिसने स्मगलिंग की थी. तो आज हमने इस लेसन को ख़त्म किया. तो यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स हैं, आप इनको देखिए गौर से. So tomorrow inshallah we will see the exercise of this lesson. Thank you.